Okay guys, so this is the allocation bit, and we so we have a code. So code 100 is to add a buddy, and code 200 is to remove buddy. Okay, so code 100 add buddy, code 200 remove. So the first thing we want to do in this allocation bit is click into this thing, in the red thing, and then click the drop down. And then what do we want to do? We want to add money, is it? So let's go have a look. So it is 180. It's 180. So we want to add the money. So transfer 1. Okay, now the amount would be 100. Oh, sorry guys, no, it would be 80 actually, because this is where the difference come in handy. It's 80 actually, because yes, it's 80. So what I'll do is type 80. Now I'll click it again and then put the drop down. So now we need to find which ID number it is. So if we go over here, our ID number is 11111111. Okay, so click the drop down and try and find 1111. Is it that? Yes, it is. Now we want to go to settings. This is where the answer comes in. So intelligent report on it.
I will now automatically allocate all your operation and show you a detailed breakdown per IND account. This will take less than 60 seconds. Thanks for waiting. I have now finished all allocation. I have also prepared a graph for you to have an easy view if you wish.
Okay, the main thing is the required balance. Okay, so here it's showing us 100. So if we go back over here, our balance remaining was 100. So it's calculated it for us, and we're right, it is 100. So guys, that's it. It's simple. Now let's move on to the second one, or the last one. Now let's have a look. So guys, the required balance is the main thing. Okay, so I'm still a student, guys. If you go back, and also guys, if you have two screens, you can half both screens, but I'm just using one screen. Okay, so if you wish, you can just half your screen. Anyways, now the second one. So the current balance is 100, balance remaining is 80, and the difference is 20. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. What do we want to do? We want to add, or we want to take away money? Anyways, it's just going to be 80. Yep, we're just going to leave it as transfer 1. So code 100, underneath put 100. Now the reason you might be wondering, oh no guys, never mind. Now amount is over here. So let's go have a look. Amount is the difference. So what's the difference? The difference is 20, okay? So in amount, we type in the difference. So here, the difference is 20, as you can see. So we're going to go back and type number 20. Okay? Now, here, we need to find our ID number. Okay, so if we go back here, remember ID number, so 1113 okay? Triple three, triple one, and a 2, okay? So if you do the drop down, so can you see triple one? Yes, we can, and the 2, so that's 100. Okay, so if we go back now, remember our balance remaining is 80. Let's remember that in our heads. Okay, 80. If we go to, so we finished it. This, you don't have to do anything with this. This is just automatic. It does it automatically for you. Okay. Now, if we bring it up, just ignore the first one. The first one has nothing to do with you. It's just a code, okay? So we've done the first one. We got it right, correct. Woohoo! And then the second one, we got it correct because the required balance is 80, okay? So we did get it correct. Congratulations to everyone that was watching. We got it right. So if our teacher sees this, she or he will be very proud of us because we've got 2 out of 2. And guys, now you know how to allocate your questions. Well guys, that was very simple, wasn't it? It might have taken a long time, but very easy, very slow, and very easy. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please subscribe so more videos can come. If you're new to our channel, hello. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to share. And all I'm going to say is thank you for watching, and see you in my next Tamara's application video. Bye bye.